my hair fixed.
What'd you say?
Don't get me laughing. This is the farmer that's fixing to go move hay out of the field. Show the wife how to hang wallpaper.
It looks like you're about to whack her with that. All right, so
she has been here an hour and a half. She's got two pieces of paper hung. I'm fixing this.
So hanging wallpaper is not fun. So Mr. Farmer's gonna teach Mom how to hang wallpaper properly.
It's a two-man job.
All right, two-man job.
Takes 4 hands. You put it where you want it up there.
All right, you grab a hold of that because I can't.
Grab a hold
got
of
that.
All right.
Okay.
All right. You put it where you want it.
Okay. All right.
All right. You gotta go. You gotta get everything out. That look about right.
That's the hard part when you're trying to run the lines, because you don't
know.
You don't know if you're going to be lined up with the lines until you start working your way down, and then if you're off, then you've got to start over.
This one here is good.
All right. So if you got it lined up,
Okay. So you got to get this on.
if it's lined up, that's the hard part. I know.
I haven't seen nothing spectacular yet.
Well, she's not got it lined up yet. You gotta get.
Well, you was going to show her it all.
So I
wasn't
think
you?
we've got
Yeah.
it good here.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. All right.
All right.
So I hold this.
You hold this up here.
Oh, I'm gonna. Okay, I got this here.
All right. And
I'm gonna really be mad if he's got this figured.
Now look at this. Look at this. This might be a genius. This might be something genius, or it might not.
We don't really know. Your lines ain't lined up.
Okay. Well, see, we got a gap. That's the problem.
But
Okay,
you
so
got a gap.
you got a gap right there. See? Okay. Now. Still. Okay.
All right. You hold this.
All right.
It's still got bills in it.
Yeah. See?
All those
Oh.
bills.
Oh.
I can't help it. You bought cheap wallpaper. Ain't my
I
fault.
doubt if it's cheap.
It
I
ain't my
imagine
fault
it's
that
very
you
expensive.
just bought cheap stuff.
Good grief.
All right, I can see right now this farmer's going to the hay bale.
Where are you going? He's like, I'm out. You didn't show us nothing.
Show me.
Well,
It started off with great potential.
You were going to show me what I was doing wrong. Remember?
what? The problem. The problem with wallpaper is it's wallpaper. It's hard to put up. I'm going to the field where it's the tractor's got the air conditioning going. And, I don't know. Oh.
Look, what are you?
It's a good deal Lane's not here. She'd really get you
I
good.
still think that if you had something up here that you could get this and roll it down.
that's a very clever idea,
It
but
is.
you're making it. It looks like an old lady.
An old lady?
There's a lot of wrinkles.
It's the crepe.
Well, see what the problem is once you get it up, then you heat it with a hair dryer and it takes all those wrinkles out.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. All right. I can see this farmer has got to go put some hay where nobody bothers me. Don't you put that on?
Yeah, it's gonna be on YouTube.
No, it ain't.
So I'm putting on the cabinet doors, and as I tried to shut it, I realized it wasn't shutting. I was lining it up with the holes that was already there, but apparently whoever cabinet maker was. They're door specific to each one because of the way they positioned this along with that thing. So now I got to figure out which door goes on the right opening. So I got to take these two down and figure that out because these two are obviously not in the right order. Old Farmer's back with his farming techniques. What are you using? An ear tag, permanent marker. If anybody don't know what an ear tag is, you tag your cattle's ears. Well, you put a tag on your cattle. So all of our handles, after we painted them with some expensive paint, is chipping. And it was made for metal, the paint was, but it's still chipping. So Old Farmer brought out his permanent marker and he's just hitting all these little spots. Probably a better idea than your wallpaper one.
Well, probably so.
What, just trying to clean it up?
Yep.
Ooh.
Hours.
How about a bigger tool for that besides the razor
Yeah,
blade?
you had a bigger, yeah.
Yeah, I've got a bigger scraper than that.
Yeah, go get that thing.
All right. Today is cleaning day. I think we're about 95% done with everything that we need to get done in here. So we've got to get cleaned, get this one cleaned up, get everything moved from the fifth wheel over to here, and also get the fifth wheel cleaned up. So we got a lot to do today. What do you guys think so far? Did it look pretty good? Looks pretty good. We've done a lot. I'm gonna go through and show you everything that we've done. But first I gotta go find something for Lane. Does that work better?
Yeah. It's better.
Better-ish.
This and ammonia is it's not gonna get it perfect, but.
We have been staying up till like 1 o'clock in the morning every night for the past 4 nights. And we've been starting to work on this probably at like 9 o'clock in the morning. So we've put in super long days, but I love seeing the transformation in such a short amount of time of everything that we've done. And so we're excited to be moving in. So I was gonna say, the weather's been perfect the entire time we've been moving in, which has been awesome. Today being the final day, of course, it's got to rain a little bit to slow us down, but that's okay. I looked at the radar, it's not gonna rain very long, and then after that, we're gonna hit back at it. So right now, we're just, rain is a good thing. So we're just cleaning some stuff up. Lane's cleaning the refrigerator. You're doing a marvelous job. Keep it up.
Thanks, dude.
Get to work.
Yeah.
Just gonna sit right here for a little while, put my feet up. Where's my coffee? These chairs are super comfortable. Like, this is gonna be riding in style. I can just see Lane doing this exact same thing. Lane likes having her feet up on the dash, but this is gonna be perfect for your feet, Lane.
I know, I've already tried it out.
I think in order we'll have to tilt it this way, or we'll have to go around.
Okay.
And tilt it.
So this is gonna be on the bottom.
That's gonna be on the bottom.
All right. Damn, hunt either. Well, I said it was light. You want me to go backwards, or are you okay with going backwards?
Well, I'm already here.
Now, if you need a break, say break.
I can't really see the chair, how I am, or anything.
Lane, can you guys?
Yeah, you're good on the chair. I can move the chair if I need to. As you turn, I can turn the chair with you. There we go.
All right, we're hitting over here.
Okay, let's move.
All right, now
Does that help?
I can't see what we're hitting.
Well,
Okay,
kinda
now
hit the
you're
chair.
no, you're good with the chair.
All right.
Are you hitting
Hold on a
something?
minute. I'm gonna have to reposition my hand.
Okay, reposition.
All right.
Okay, hang on. Okay, go. Well, this is. Well, we're doing it.
Good job.
You need to sit down?
I'm good.
Okay.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm just having to go low. Oh. All right, keep going. Well, that was easier than what I thought.
It was easier than I thought.
Goodbye, dog hairy couch. Hello, where Michael and I will sleep somehow.
So time has begun for me to start cleaning out the basement, going through and seeing what we want to take with us and what we don't. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking everything out and putting it into piles. So we are going to have a camping pile. I've got kids' toys and stuff in here. We've also just got some extra bags and things that we might need or might not need. But I'm going to go through here, separate everything based upon a category that it fits into, and then see where I'm going to store it in the new motorhome. So this should be fun.
Oh, you did? Let me see.
My pocket.
It's in your pocket. It's a perfect fit. Thank you. I love you.
Mama, how's it going back here?
Good. Like, I'm shocked. Look at these drawers. You want to see what
Yeah,
I'm
well,
doing?
tell us kind of how you've done stuff.
Okay, well, kids, all 4 kids are in there.
Okay.
And there's room. I'm going to put shoes, little totes for shoes. And then I even had an extra drawer over here that I don't know what I'm going to do with yet.
But each kid has a drawer or no?
Nope.
Oh.
This is puzzles and just awkward things that don't fit in my little totes.
Okay.
Homeschool stuff. So for the drawers, Layla and Gabriel still have space. And Grady and Chasen still
Wow.
have space. And then all panties, Grady, Layla, Chasen. And I still have this one. Isn't that great?
Yeah, that's amazing.
So much extra. And then you and I, because Michael got prissy and said that he needed.
I got my feelings hurt because she gave me like 6 inches of space.
Yeah,
like,
he
this
talks
is
about
yours.
how simple he is and how extravagant.
Well, I am
he
pretty
is.
simple.
Anyway, so he needs that whole thing up
Like,
there.
you gave me a top?
Yes, I
Well, that's
did.
very nice of you.
Well, thank you. A lot of my
I would have
stuff
gladly
is,
taken the bottom.
well, a lot of my stuff is long, so it would have been in your way, and you'd have
Oh.
been yelling at me in your head.
Gotcha.
So I did that because I'm sweet. But I am gonna have to get an iron now. That'll be a part of this new life.
An iron.
Yeah, because all my clothes are wrinkled on the floor.
Mm.
All my dresses and stuff. So anyways, I love it. It feels good. Like we're going to be taking bags and bags to Goodwill. Bags and bags. And
Again.
That feels good. Again. That just goes to show that everybody just needs to clean their life out.
The purge of
At
life.
least once a year, yep. No matter if you live in a fifth wheel or a house, and it feels good every time.
If you don't, you'll end up being on
That hoarder show.
that hoarder show on whatever
I don't know.
channel
We don't
it's
have
on.
TV. We don't know this stuff. But y'all know what we're talking about.
Don't be a hoarder. Get rid of your stuff.
That's right.
And
Feels
so our
good.
cabinets up here, you just got like homeschool stuff up there?
Yeah, some homeschool. I really don't remember what I have up
Okay.
there. But just empty totes. I don't even know what I'm putting in them yet. A lot of our homeschool stuff, oh, right here, it's not finished and Michael doesn't love the idea.
Well, because on travel days, we're going to have to create something to block the books from falling,
Right.
like a bungee strap or
Yeah, which I think will be worth it because
something. I don't know.
we have a lot of books. And that we need to access easily whenever we want. So I think that's going to be perfect. It's kind of hidden. And then I want to do something cool right there. Instead of use it for storage, I want to do something special for the kids, like a planet globe, like glow in the dark. I don't even know. Something awesome.
Lava lamp.
Yeah, maybe something like that.
No.
Or like a fake. Yeah. Why did you say no?
Well, lava lamp has water in it, and I'd be afraid it'd tip over.
Or like a fake aquarium that you can plug in or something like just something cool for them. I want this room to be awesome to them.
Yeah.
It will.
And while she's doing that, what I'm doing is I've brought over a lot of our kitchen stuff, baking pans, coffee cups, dishes. I almost filled up, took out all of the stuff from the fifth wheel pantry and have almost filled up this pantry with all these goodies. We've got more storage over here that I am gonna be filling up. Obviously the glasses, dishes, stuff like that's gonna be going up here. We've still got the kids' snack drawer with, well, healthy snacks. There's a little cutting board here. Right in through here is going to have to be our utensils. And then I don't know what I'm going to do there.
Tuck the butt. Pull it to about right there. Fold. Fold.
It's almost like you're rolling it.
Yeah, it's pretty much like a roll. I did that for church camp. And then stack them like that.
Stack them like that.
Stack them like that.
All right, so I'm gonna put up some backsplash on this. What do you guys think? Does that look pretty good? I've never done this before. It's my first time doing it, but I think it's pretty simple. Got most of the painting done, but now I'm gonna put this up to let some of the paint dry, and hopefully this goes good.